ASVAB 2025 Practice Test 60 questions with full explanations. Question 1. Which atmospheric layer contains the ozone layer? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The stratosphere contains the ozone layer which absorbs UV radiation. Question 2. What is the atomic number of an element based on protons, neutrons, electrons, mass? The atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus. Question 3. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, vacuole. Mitochondria produce ADP, the cell's energy currency. Question 4. What process do plants use to convert sunlight into food? Respiration, photosynthesis, fermentation, transpiration. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants use sunlight to synthesize food. Question 5. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Mars, Mercury, Earth. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Question 6. Human blood type O is known as the universal donor, universal recipient, common type, rare type. Type O negative is the universal donor because it lacks A, B, and Rh antigens. Question 7. The process of a solid turning directly into a gas is evaporation, sublimation, condensation, fusion. Sublimation is the transition from solid to gas phase without passing through the liquid phase. Question 8. Antagonize most nearly means embarrass, struggle, provoke, worship. To antagonize is to cause someone to become hostile or to provoke them. Question 9. Wilted most nearly means left, limp, budding, requested. Wilted refers to a plant or part of a plant that has become limp through heat or lack of water. Question 10. Erudite most nearly means civil, progressive, amoral, scholarly. Erudite means having or showing great knowledge or learning, scholarly. Question 11. Fortitude most nearly means speed, cheerfulness, courage, vulnerability. Fortitude is courage in pain or adversity. Question 12. Abnegate most nearly means approve, deny, hope, recognize. To abnegate is to renounce or reject something desired or valuable. Question 13. Scrutinize most nearly means examine, ignore, protect, deliver. To scrutinize is to examine or inspect closely and thoroughly. Question 14. Terse most nearly means lengthy, concise, honest, angry. Terse means sparing in the use of words, abrupt or concise. Question 15. In a pulley system with 4 supporting ropes, what is the mechanical advantage? 1, 2, 4, 8. The mechanical advantage of a pulley system is equal to the number of ropes supporting the load. Question 16. Which of these simple machines uses a fulcrum, pulley, lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle? A lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called a fulcrum. Question 17. What is the term for the force that resists motion between two surfaces? Inertia, gravity, friction, acceleration. Friction is the force that acts in the opposite direction of motion between two surfaces. Question 18. If a gear with 20 teeth drives a gear with 40 teeth, the speed of the second gear will be half, double, quadruple, the same. A larger driven gear rotates slower. The ratio 20-40 means it turns at half the speed. Question 19. Pressure is defined as force x area, force/area, mass x gravity, work/time. Pressure is the amount of force exerted per unit of area, P equals F/A. Question 20. Newton's second law of motion is expressed as F equals ma, P equals mv, E equals mc²2, V equals IR. Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration.